Well, it's a nice Saturday out, and I have the whole fleet out, the entire fleet. My good friend Clint mentioned, where did my ghost bike go? And I thought I'd bring it out and show it to him. CBR's looking good. This bike's a 1983 Honda Matic. It says right there it's a Honda Matic. They made these for a few years. They don't have a clutch on them. They're automatic. And when they made these and sent them from Japan, they were considered a deluxe model. So everything on them was really high quality. Their instrumentation, their chrome, their everything. I'll show you how it works. It's either an 83 or 84. I've got to get a new battery for her. The way this works is this is normally your clutch right here. But it's not a clutch, it says brake right there. On the other side is a brake too. Now the right hand gauge says neutral 1 and 2. So you've got neutral, which is half up, and you get 2 gears, 1 and 2, low and high. And if you look at the instrument panel, it shows you go up to 50 miles an hour in first gear, and then you go into second gear. It shows you the second one right there. It works really good. It's kind of hard to get used to, because when you go stop at a stop sign, this is a brake. They made this in a 450, I believe, and the 750, which would have been a kind of a neater variant to get. But I'm just happy I have this one. It I think it was part of my brother's estate when he passed away, and now I got it. It's in really good shape for all the years. I think 83 would be, see, 38 years old. And the thing I like about these classic bikes is they're kind of an attention getter. I love chrome. I love all the chrome on the bikes because it really gives them a touch of class. And these new bikes, yeah, they're fast and they're nice, but there's no chrome on them. And that just bugs me. You know, the one thing about this bike is there are no spare parts for it, nothing. Maybe you can get spark plugs. You can't get any handle grips for them. Actually, I got one side, but these are aftermarket. Here's the Honda. It's all stripped down. I've decided to clean up my garage before I put it back in. And then the gyro, that's an 85. So actually, this bike right here is a 93. This one is an 85. This really nice chrome rig, this one's an 84, I believe. And then this 2010 and 2013. So Clint, my friend, you wanted to see the ghost bike. Here it is.